I overpaid for this property. It was my first apartment, and I have no regrets that I completely overpaid for it. And I'm about ready to tell you why. Hey guys, I'm Jay Lehman. I talk all things real estate on this channel, and today I'm going to talk about this property, why I bought it, why it was my first apartment, and why I overpaid for it. Here's what happened. It was an off-market property. I found this guy at a real estate meetup, and I was like, hey, do you have any apartments that you'd like to sell? He's like, no. But finally he said, I'll sell you this one, but I want $475,000 for it. And I didn't think it was necessarily worth $475,000, but I was like, listen, if you can meet me on my terms, I'll meet you on your price. Remember, you got to win on one, price or terms. I decided I'm going to win on terms because I didn't have the down payment money. For a $475,000 house or apartment in this case, you're going to need about $95,000 down or 20%. So I said, listen, I will do $47,500 down. That's 10%. You then will give me a loan of $47,500 on a seller carryback note at 0% interest. That'll make up the 20% down payment, 10% from me, 10% from you, and I'll go to a local bank and get 80% of the purchase price at $475. Well, I ended up doing that, right? I got 80% of the purchase price at $475. I put 10% down, and he gave me a carryback note where I paid him principal only payments. It was a zero interest loan on his other 10% that I had to pay off in 3 years from the cash flow of this property. Now, I've actually been able to pay that loan off faster, and this property has appreciated quite a bit. Why? Because I've taken the gross rents from $5,200 to $6,200. As the income improves in a property, the value of that property also improves. I bought this in the middle of the pandemic. I didn't even know what I was doing, but I got in the game. And apartments are amazing because you can actually force appreciation by improving the operations, limiting the expenses, raising the income, increasing the quality of life. We added fiber optic internet here, which the tenants love. Internet is a huge thing for tenants because a lot of them work from home or do schoolwork from home here in Champaign, Illinois. Listen, if this brought value about the seller carryback, 10% down, 10% carryback, 80% LTV, would you like, would you subscribe? I want to get you some deals like this one. This one I want to buy. I want to buy this lot right here and put an apartment right here. We want some deals like this. If you like this stuff, let me know if this brought you value. Let's go.